Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix volume buttons not working on your iPhones. So guys, if the volume buttons on your iPhones aren't working, it could be due to a software glitch, a settings or a hardware issue. But don't worry, I will tell you how to troubleshoot this problem. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your ring silent switch. Make sure that the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone isn't set to silent. While this doesn't directly affect the volume buttons, it can help identify if the issue is with the phone's audio output or the button itself. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check for physical damage. Inspect the volume buttons for any sign of physical damage or debris that might be preventing them from being pressed properly. Cleaning around the buttons with a soft dry brush may help remove debris. After this, then you have to do is simply adjust the sound settings. Make sure that the change with buttons option is enabled on your sound settings, allowing you to adjust the ringer and silent alert volume using the volume buttons. To do this, you have to simply go back and then tap on sound and aptX, and you have to make sure that the change with buttons is enabled. So guys, after trying these steps and still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Software update often contain fixes for unknown bugs that could be causing your volume buttons to malfunction. To do this, you have to simply tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. If none of the steps works, you might consider resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix volume buttons not working on your iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.